guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be showing you guys what my nighttime routine is, and I do want to mention this is when my husband is not home. So obviously our nighttime routine is very similar but a little bit different when he is home with us. But when it's just Braxton and I walk in the house and I open the mudroom door where he will run in and greet me. So then the first thing we do is we always let him outside so he can kind of run around and go to the bathroom if he needs to. And I'm just going to be showing you guys my outfit while he plays. So my earrings are from Target and my top is from H&M. It's not maternity, it's just the regular brand. It's a shirt I actually had before I was pregnant. And then I'm super excited to share with you guys the pants that I'm wearing. They are by the brand Prego Leggings and they were actually sent to me. And I am completely obsessed with them for so many reasons. They not only feel like yoga pants, but they just have the stretchiest band for your belly on the top that makes them so comfortable. They're like a denim material. And they just have this really cool like detailing on the thigh, which I love. I would totally wear these not pregnant, just because they're so cute and like fashionable. But yeah, shout out to them. I highly recommend you guys checking out their site, and I will leave a link to their Instagram and their website below with a code if you guys want to use that for a discount. And my shoes are just from Target. I absolutely love these and wear them all the time. They're super comfy and just look cute with pretty much everything. So then we come back inside and I just like to get dinner started before I jump into my comfy clothes for the night. So I'm having some riced cauliflower with a mixed veggie in there, and I just kind of like am throwing them all in a pan together and cooking them up. And then this has been a random like craving that I've had since being pregnant. Fish sticks, so weird. I actually didn't even like them before being pregnant, but lately, like 4 nights out of the week, it's really all I feel like eating. So I'm just having a couple of those and then my little veggie stir fry. So like I said, I just get things started and then I'm going to be heading upstairs to jump into my comfy clothes. So I usually throw on some yoga pants because we will be going for a walk. So these ones are just from Old Navy. I absolutely love them. And this bra I was actually already wearing, so it's by the brand U Lingerie. It's great for daily wear or just like around the house to be super comfortable. So it has this really nice stretchy band at the bottom and it's just so comfortable over your bump. And then I love that it has so many adjustable settings in the back because it's great for after the baby. It's also a nursing bra, which is just absolutely amazing, and I really highly recommend checking out their site. Again, this product was sent to me, but I have completely fallen in love with the brand. Again, I will leave a coupon code down below so you guys can check out the site and get some money off your order. So once we are all comfy, we head downstairs, and as you can see, Braxton is patiently waiting for his dinner. So I like to fill his water bowl and his food bowl and just make sure he is all set, and then I go ahead and eat my dinner as well. So normally when it's Kyle and I, we will both just sit down and put our phones aside and enjoy dinner together. But when it's just me, I do find myself on Instagram or YouTube while I'm eating, which is a really bad habit. But like I said, when Kyle's home, which most of the time he is, we enjoy like a nice dinner without our phones. And then I'm just cleaning up. I like to clean up right after dinner, that way I don't have to worry about it the rest of the night. So I'm just cleaning up, and then we almost always go for a walk when the weather's nice. And we have worked really hard at training Braxton to sit while we open the door, and he knows to wait until he has permission to step outside. It's been really good for his anxiety because he knows what to expect. He knows to sit at the door before we leave, and it just kind of calms him down, and it helps us just kind of keep him from sprinting out, you know, out of control. So we're just going for a nice long walk, and then when we get home, this is usually what it looks like. I think he thinks that we can't see him. This cracks me up every single time he does this, and he does it all the time. So he's so cute. But anyway, I also wanted to mention this Babo Care like belly band. This was actually given to me as a gift, and I wear this when we go for our long walks, and I've been loving it in my 3rd trimester when my belly's actually gotten kind of big. It just really helps with back pain, so I'll leave a link down below on where you guys can get that if you are interested. So then I just like to go get my bouncy ball and spend a little bit of time on that while I work on YouTube, and just kind of do a couple work things for a few hours. And then usually I am hungry again, surprise. So I need a snack at this point, and cereal has been one of my go-tos lately. So I'm just having some of this Annie's Cinnabunnies and some almond coconut milk. And then I let Braxton out one last time before we kind of head to bed for the night. And I've been bringing my cereal in the sunroom and letting him out so he can kind of run around, and I get to watch him and just kind of sit in there. And then he comes in and he knows he gets one more treat before bed. So he's a really good boy. He comes right over and sits. And then we also like to have just a little bit more playtime before bed. So he'll usually kind of sprint up the stairs and run onto the bed and go crazy because he loves bedtime. It's like his favorite time of the day. So he gets really excited, and Kyle and I always spend a little bit of time just kind of playing with him before we go to sleep. So then I like to change one more time for the night into my pajamas, and no, my pajamas don't always match. I just happened to get these at Walmart the other day, so I figured I would wear them in this video. They were like $12 and they're so comfortable, and I thought they would be really good for breastfeeding in the middle of the night once the baby comes, because they have like the easy buttons that you can just kind of unbutton and open up your top. So one thing I didn't include in my nighttime routine is I do floss before I brush my teeth. But I just felt like that was boring to show, so I didn't include that. But then I'm washing my face with the St. Ives Green Tea Scrub, which I love. And then for a toner, I'm going in with the Origin Zero Oil on a cotton pad and just kind of applying that all over my face. So then I always apply my Clean and Clear Dual Action Moisturizer. I have loved this stuff since like 8th grade. I've probably repurchased this more than any product that I've ever had. And then I like to use a eye cream before bed, so I'm using the Origin's Plantscription eye cream and just applying that all underneath my eye and then over my eyelid a little bit as well. So I've really been trying to moisturize my skin extra at night because it wasn't looking so great for a while. And I've been trying out this new A&B Fade Cream, which is supposed to help with dark spots and things like that, like hyperpigmentation, which I do struggle with. So I'm applying some of that. I just bought it at Walgreens. It's super inexpensive. And then I'm also applying my Nitamins by Origin and some Carmex on my lips. So I like to keep my skin super moisturized clearly before I go to bed. And then I'm just shutting off the lights and getting snuggled in for the night. So as you can see, Braxton is usually asleep before me and all comfy in bed. So that is absolutely it for our nighttime routine, guys. I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't already. I love you guys so much, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!